What part does your car play in your life? Is it your office? Is it your clubhouse? Or maybe it's your way for simply getting away. Your car is a big part of your world, and if unexpected breakdowns occur, other parts of your world can come to a halt too. The factory warranty only covers the first few years of your car's life. But it's when your car is older that it's most vulnerable to breaking down and more expensive to repair. You could end up paying a lot for mechanical repairs out of your own pocket, especially today when cars are more complex and more costly to repair. You could also end up paying for all the other expenses and stresses that come with a breakdown. There is a better way. You can manage these unexpected costs and stresses with a Mechanic, the affordable service repair plan for new and pre-owned vehicles. The Mechanic covers repairs after your factory warranty expires, and it has a range of protection levels to fit your needs, driving habits, and budget. You can cover a vehicle up to 15 years old and 200,000 miles. You get coverage in all 50 states and Canada, with no yearly limit on repairs. Plus, you'll have emergency roadside assistance 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You'll even get help with rental car and emergency travel expenses. The Mechanic Vehicle Service Contract helps manage unpleasant surprises in your car's life, so you can keep the rest of your life working. The Mechanic,